Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Lancia Appia GT Zagato. This car is a stunning tribute to one of Lancia's most beloved classics, blending retro charm with modern performance. If you're a fan of Italian craftsmanship, lightweight grand tours, and the magic of coach building, this is a car you'll want to know everything about. Let's start with a bit of history. The original Lancia Appia GT Zagato was a lightweight sports coupe from the 1950s and early 60s, designed by the legendary Carrozzeria Zagato. It was known for its aerodynamics, compact size, and beautifully handcrafted aluminum bodywork. Lancia was already famous for its engineering excellence, and with Zagato's expertise, the Appia GT became a sought-after collectible. Fast forward to today, and Lancia is reviving this spirit with the 2025 model, bringing back the GT Zagato with a modern twist. The design of the new Appia GT Zagato is breathtaking. It retains the signature double bubble roof that Zagato is famous for, a design element originally meant to provide extra headroom while improving aerodynamics. The front end features a bold interpretation of Lancia's classic grille, seamlessly integrated with sharp LED headlights. The smooth curves of the body pay homage to the vintage model while incorporating modern aerodynamic enhancements. The rear is sleek, with slim taillights that stretch across the width of the car, giving it a futuristic yet timeless look. Every detail is designed with purpose, balancing beauty and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Appia GT Zagato is powered by a high-revving turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 300 horsepower. While this might not sound extreme by today's standards, the real magic lies in the weight, or rather, the lack of it. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum, this car weighs significantly less than most modern GT cars. The result? A power-to-weight ratio that makes the driving experience truly exhilarating. It's a car built for purists, one that rewards skill and precision rather than relying on brute force. The transmission is a 6-speed manual, keeping things analog and engaging. Lancia could have gone with a dual-clutch automatic, but instead, they've stuck to a driver-focused experience. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures that the Appia GT Zagato maintains a playful, balanced character on winding roads. The suspension is tuned for spirited driving, with adaptive dampers allowing for a comfortable ride when needed, but sharp, responsive handling when pushed to the limit. Inside, the cabin is a blend of nostalgia and modern luxury. The dashboard is minimalist, featuring classic round dials alongside a digital display that provides all essential driving information. Leather and Alcantara upholstery cover the seats and door panels, with contrast stitching that hints at the craftsmanship behind every inch of the car. The seating position is low and sporty, placing the driver at the heart of the experience. There's even a wooden Nardi-style steering wheel available as an option, a direct nod to classic Italian sports cars. One of the most exciting aspects of this car is its exclusivity. Lancia and Zagato are only producing a limited number of these, making it a true collector's item. Each one will be hand-assembled with custom options, allowing owners to tailor their Appia GT Zagato to their tastes. Whether it's unique paint colors, bespoke interiors, or personalized badging, this is a car that offers a level of individuality rarely seen in modern production vehicles. Driving the 2025 Appia GT Zagato is an experience that words can barely capture. The way it responds to every input, the sound of the engine as it climbs through the revs, and the connection between the driver and the road, this is what a true grand tourer should feel like. It's not about setting lap records or having the highest top speed. It's about the joy of driving, the feeling of being in something special, and the appreciation of automotive art. So, who is this car for? It's for the enthusiasts who love the heritage of Italian motoring. It's for those who appreciate the craftsmanship of coach-built automobiles. And most importantly, it's for drivers who want an engaging, pure, and beautifully designed machine. With Lancia making a strong comeback in recent years, the 2025 Appia GT Zagato is proof that they're not just looking to the future. They're honoring their past in the best way possible. This car is a masterpiece, a statement, and a reminder of why we fell in love with driving in the first place. That's it for today's video. If you love what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the new Lancia Appia GT Zagato. Would you buy one if you had the chance? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.